Imagine customers browsing your product pages and seeing authentic Instagram posts featuring that exact product. Real customers wearing, using, and loving your items. This creates instant social proof right where buying decisions happen, building trust and boosting conversions. Let's set this up in just a few simple steps. Go to Product Tags in your sidebar and click Setup under Show Posts on Product Pages. Choose your source, Instagram or TikTok from the dropdown. Toggle on Show Posts on Product Pages and select which product you want to feature relevant tagged posts for. Watch the preview update on the right. For mobile settings, choose Slider Layout for dynamic browsing. Adjust columns, enable auto slide with custom timing, and set video autoplay when posts appear for engaging content, or select Grid Layout for organized display. Adjust columns and rows. Then customize your button style with background and text colors. The live preview shows exactly how it looks on mobile. In the heading section, toggle Show Heading on or off. Customize content like Follow Us on Instagram. Adjust text size, font weight, alignment, and colors to match your brand. Enable Show Subheading to add secondary text like trending products. Customize text size, font weight, alignment, and colors for perfect branding consistency. In spacing, adjust gaps between section text and posts, post spacing, and top-bottom padding for perfect alignment. Check Apply Mobile Settings for desktop to use the same design, or uncheck to create unique desktop layouts. For desktop, choose between grid and slider layouts just like mobile. Customize your heading section with title and styling, add subheading content, and adjust spacing for perfect alignment. The preview shows exactly how it looks on both mobile and desktop. Click Save to apply all your changes. A modal appears with installation instructions. Click Add to Theme to integrate the product page feed into your store. You're now in the theme editor. The Feed on Product Page section has been added successfully. You can see the confirmation message. Click Close to dismiss the modal, then scroll down to see your Instagram feed displaying relevant tagged products on the product page. Click Save in the theme editor to publish your changes, then click View to see the live result on your storefront. Your product pages now automatically showcase relevant social content. This builds trust, increases engagement, and turns every product page into a social-powered conversion machine. Thank you for watching our video.